Hey guys, I'm here to install some Coverking Spartanshield seat covers on my 2014 Tacoma. You can see I've already done the driver's side. I wanted to just do this video because I couldn't find too many videos on the 2014 second gen. And mainly because I wanted to do this because there's a couple of things that I found that I didn't see on other videos. So for one, for the 2014, probably the 2012 to the 2015, these seats come with these covers here, stock, and these clips will clip underneath the seat to a couple of metal support beams underneath. And so what you want to do on the passenger side, if you're right-handed like me, is to come from the front side here, reach down, and you'll see underneath that it's a lot easier to pull that clip out towards the front of the car and get them to release. And you need to do this step because the Spartan seat covers, the clips for the seat cover will pass through the space between the upper part and the seat, and then it'll go underneath like that. And the other thing you want to do is when you get these covers, they come clipped to the bottom of the seat already. So you're going to unclip it, and then you're going to extend it all the way out, because this clip here is actually, it starts here. So you're just going to pull it forward, and you'll do that because when you go to route this cable underneath the seat, you're going to want to end up here, because this part here is very short and it does not extend. So it'll go underneath, you'll clip it, and then once you're done, once you've got it clipped, you're going to pull on this this other part here, right here, and you'll pull it backwards, tightening the seat cover itself. I've got a passenger or a side airbag here, so this flap will tuck in like so when I'm done. The other thing that I noticed is the seat cover was not it wasn't made for these bolsters that our seats have, so it's gonna kind of like be a little, I don't know, puffy or loose. You can see it on that side too. However, when you're sitting in it, it doesn't make much of a difference. Now, the other thing I want to mention here is on the video is that these S-clips, for me, I routed it inside, kind of like they did on the third gen Tacoma video. So instead of coming from the outside like they do for the early second gen, you want to tuck it on the inside. And I'll show you that over here. So this driver's side is done. I tucked the S cable inside, and I've got the seat tucked in. It's pretty comfortable. The other thing is that it comes with like a cheesecloth. I didn't feel it was necessary because I think it's more for those seats that are leather to start with, and mine's cloth, so I shouldn't get too much movement out of the seat covers. The other thing is the S clip on the driver's side, or the inner side here, does not like to, it's very difficult to tuck in on the inside of the plastic cover where the seatbelt is. So I just went around it underneath, and then I hooked it to the seat rail, and I've moved the seat back and forth a few times, and I had no issues with it. So I think I should be fine there. So here's the side airbag tucked in, and the seat cover that kind of just sticks up, but it's okay. Overall, I like the feel. The fabric is really nice. I don't much care for the leather covers that I've seen. My wife doesn't like leather seats anyways. And I've got seat heaters on the inside too, so these should be pretty good for that. All right, well, I hope this helps somebody else install these covers.